Can you guess where I'm going today? The time is now 5:43 in the morning. I got 2 hours sleep. And if you guess Disney, you're wrong. I'm going to Utah. Yes, I'm going to Utah to visit Luis. We're going to have a fun time exploring Utah for the very first time. New state added to the list. Alright, TSA pre-check was pretty chill. We got in super quickly and we got like about an hour, 2 hours I think? 2 hours to spare. We're gonna go eat something real quick and then our flight boards at 9:10 a.m. and then we leave at around 9:50. We should be over in Utah around 12 o'clock. I am so excited to get over there. First time in a state in this state I've never been to. It's gonna be so crazy. We just made it to our gate right now. Should be boarding soon. I think that one over there is our plane, but we should be boarding soon. So, and I'm heading all the way to Salt Lake City for the first time. It's glooming here. It shouldn't be gloomy when we get over there, but Luis has a whole agenda for us, and we'll figure out what we're gonna do when we get there. Alright, so we just touched down in Utah. This opening that we're in is humongous. But yeah, look at this airport. It's humongous. Hi. Why you make that face? Why you make that face?
Well, it's not closed.
It's not closed. Everyone says it's so close. It's not closed.
It's in my face.
It's wide view. You're fine. The temperature is 60 degrees right now.
It's not bad.
It's not terrible. At least it's a beautiful day. It looks like I'm on Tatooine with all the stuff. But we're gonna go figure out how to get to the tracks and then show you Luis's place. I made it! And we finally made it home after 3-4 hours. Yes! Ow! Look guys, Luis is here on the vlog. He's our guide for the week.
Oh, that's the truck right there?
Luis, can you explain to where we're going right now?
We're going to Costco. And then we're gonna go around the city and look around the mall and probably walk around a little bit more. Cause we have two, oh yeah, we can do the mall and we can do the city, the hotel.
Okay, we're following you.
The parking spot where I'm gonna go to, you get the first 2 hours free.
Perfect. Look at the Utah guy doing all the spots now. Yeah, I didn't realize how quick the airport, like to the airport to here was. It was really quick.
Literally, you don't need to leave that early. It's like a 8-minute drive. It's 8-minute drive to the airport.
Oh, perfect. So we can sleep in, like today. Hey, they just
come out.
Yeah, this is John Stockton Drive.
Oh, that makes sense.
We are in the Salt Lake Public Library.
Focus. That's crazy. We're going to the top, guys. Luis said that when he went here the first time, there was like super nice views at the top. So we're going to the top and we're gonna get some nice views of the city. There's a private event, guys. Can't go up there, but we're going to the mall, I think. We found this mural in Salt Lake. Pretty nice. What have we done? We walked around the mall. Got some little snacks. We're walking back to the library, and we potentially might be going to the Capitol building to do a little exploring around there. And we're going up the little mountain and see all the city. This is views on views. We're at the Capitol building right now. Luis. Look at the Capitol
There's
building.
no cherry blossoms anymore. There was a time
Anymore?
when I was filming the cherry blossoms and it wasn't really out yet. And I was like, I'll come back, and now there's no cherry blossoms.
Wow. Wow. This is amazing. Now turn around. Wave to the camera. We're in the Capitol building, guys. And if you guys watch the Italy vlogs, oh, you are right. That's crazy. It's like the Basilica, for real. It's like views. It's insane. You can see, I was about to say that, you can see the plane over there. Oh, it's bright. You see the airport? You see the airport from here? I can't do that fully. Let me do that.
In New York, I've been the rock. Hide it in my sock.
All right, Luis. Let us know what are we doing and where are we at?
We are in Ensign Peak. Come on, there's a better view over here. Oh, Ensign Peak. This is where kind of history, I guess, where Brigham Young was like, yo, I'm on this valley. And I'm gonna make this city, I'm gonna make this land Salt Lake City. This is kind of where he claimed the spot.
Alright, we're shooting in D-Log now, so I can be a little bit creative. Oh, the view about to be insane. The colors about to be beautiful. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. This is wild. Who would have thought we'd be out here? Also, oh, there is ways here over there. It's very cold up here. It's very cold. I need a shot like that. Like, you get me behind, I'll sit on that ledge. Don't push me off. You already tried that once. Rock City, 20 something. This is literally a Simba moment, a Lion King moment. That is, whoa. Made it to the top of the peak. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. So before Luis moved here, I didn't think Utah was like, you know, like all that, alright? I didn't want to come out here, but now you see the views. It's sick. It's sick. Just look at this. Look at it. Even that. The moon.
The moon.
And then salt flats. Ooh, I'm bringing my tripod for the salt flats so I can place it down and we can
Hopefully
run.
there's not like a huge water puddle.
Hold on, but we're just gonna run.
No, actually, you know what? I'm actually gonna.
Can we Millie Rock? Is this still recording?
I'm gonna bring my hiking shoes in a plastic bag. I'm stepping in that water if there's a water puddle.
Millie Rock and I walk. Yeah.
All right, he wants a picture. Okay, here.
All right, guys. I'm gonna end the video right here because we're on this insane peak, looking over the whole entire city. Day 1 of being in Utah, pretty sick. We did. Honestly, we didn't do a lot, but we did a lot. If that makes sense. You know what I mean? We did the Capitol building. We walked on the mall, and then we walked up here. So good first full day. Well, actually, first half day. Tomorrow will be a full day. You know what I mean? But you guys get ready for this trip, okay? Get ready for this trip. It's gonna be really cool to see. I never thought I'll be ever in this state, but yeah, it's beautiful, as you guys saw. So don't forget to like. Turn around.
Yeah. Now back to you.
Look at this beautifulness. All right, always don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I post my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Lucy, you want to say anything? Goodbye.
Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces.